Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the TikTok DTI filter to randomize your outfit choice. So you can use this DTI filter to make TikTok fit your outfit on the Dress to Impress game. So what you need to do first is of course launch the TikTok applications on your phone, and in here you can just click on the plus icon to start open the TikTok camera or start creating using the effects. Here I'm going to choose this photos first. Sorry, let's find the TikTok filter first. You can click on a search and then just type in DTI as the keyword, and you'll see these options: your random DTI outfits. Okay, you can use this one, and then what you need to do is just click on this record button, and now you can just pick the outfit first. Let's choose the duration. Okay, I'm going to go with dress. Here you can just tap on the back, jewelry, extra hats, shoes, hair, and dress. You can see the results in here, and you can see this is the what the DTI pick for my outfit. So if you want to regenerate again, you can just click on the items that you want to regenerate. For example, you want to change the hair, you can just click on it and it will randomly regenerating again, just like this. I'm going to change also this, okay, accessory, and I think I'm gonna change the dress and the bag. Okay, so after this you can just take a screenshot of this, for example, or you can just save this as a photo, just like this. Okay, and after that you can open the Dress to Impress game and recreate the outfit using these random outfits or these random items picked by the filter. Okay guys, so that's all for me. That's how you can use the DTI filter on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.